What up, y'all? It's your boy School back at it, and welcome to Deadly Spiders Diecast. If you hadn't been here already, if you're new, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your subscription. Yeah. So anyway, I just want to show off all the cars that I bought from the RLC this year. So that's basically about it. But the reason why I haven't been available lately is because our internet went out. We had called the internet service, our internet company, and then they told us that it was an outage in our area. That's kind of strange. We switched over from Xfinity to Brightspeed because the bill from Xfinity, it just gotten a little too high. But I just felt like maybe we were better off with Xfinity, because it's been about a week since our internet been out. We might have to switch over again. Who knows? But there's that. That's why I hadn't been, making any videos lately. And another reason why, because, we just been going through some things here. Going through a lot of changes. I know we supposed to be talking about these cars right now, but it just felt like I just been having some bad luck lately. And you know what? It just always feel like the worst shit always happens to you when, it's the holidays. That's why I kind of be dreading, when the holidays come around. But anyway, some other stuff, been going on. Don't really want to get into that. It's just too much bullshit. But anyway, we at least have these cars here to cheer us up. So anyway, we have this one right here, the Lamborghini Countach, the 82 Lamborghini Countach. LP500S and Spectra Flame Blue. Now this one came from the selections sale. If you're not familiar with what selections is all about, then it's basically the thing on the RLC where they let RLC members vote on the car that they want to be selected. Well, they give you like 4 different cars to choose from here and there, and they not only you're not only able to choose the casting, but you're able to choose the color of the car and also the wheels. This is the one that most of us voted for, the majority vote. So this is how it came out, and I think it looks rather nice. You don't really see too many Countaches in blue, if any, but I believe we made the right choice. Those of us who voted for that color, something different. And then there goes the interior. And then both of these doors, Lamborghini style. This door and that one is metal. They just attached that the windows and that door trim, to the door, to the inside, which is a nice touch. Helps keep the window in too, of course. So there's the Countach. Okay, what else are we going to see? And this is my Di Tommaso Mangusta. This is the second one the RLC came out with. This one in green. The first one, they came out a couple of years ago in Spectra Flame Orange. I still got that one. Yeah, I actually bought two of these. I gave one to a good friend. His name is Gary. From Gary's Diecast collection. You know, I had an extra one. You know, gave that one off to him. I was finna do a wheel swap on that second one. Till I was like, forget it. You know, that's gonna be his first RLC car. Made his day. Made his whole year, I hope. But anyway, you put two of these flaps up. You put both of these flaps up. Looks like it's flying. And then you got the engine right there. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's my Mangusta. You know, excuse the blur. Put that baby back there. Then we got the next one we got is this 1964 Jaguar E-Type. Looks really nice in this British Racing Green Spectra Flame. Yeah, this thing is pretty heavy too. It's actually pretty sleek. Really like it. This ain't the first time, you know, I showed it. I showed this about last month in my luxury cars challenge, courtesy of Mr. Diecast Looney. And I already did an in-depth video on it. But this is the one that got I had the most trouble as far as receiving it. Just to make a long story short, I ended up buying this car when it went on sale. But lo and behold, I ended up not being able to receive mine. You know, they just didn't send it to me. You know, I waited a whole month just to get them to send it to me. But, you know, I wish I could have contacted them sooner. But they probably wouldn't have gave me nothing anyway. They were telling everybody that, you know, the ones who didn't get theirs, that it was already sold out. So I, at least contacted them to eventually to get my money back. You know, they did that. You know, gave me my money back, but they wouldn't give me the money that I had to spend on, you know, a subscription, a membership. Yeah, they made me sign up for another membership when I already had one. You know, I did do what other people had suggested. Sign out of your account, of your RLC account, and then sign back in. But they still made me order the subscription to membership. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, I asked for a refund on that, but you know, they said they couldn't give me one on that. So yeah, that's, long story short, you know, that's just some bullshit. And you know, that just kind of make my RLC days a little numbered. I'm not going to really order directly from them again. If I want something from the RLC, I'll just buy it off of somebody online, even if it is on eBay. At least I know I'll be getting my car. So yeah, nice car though. Just had to go through some bullshit to get it. And yeah, these two cars right here, I'm gonna put these together just to save some time on this video. You got these two Porsche 959s. I did, a review on these already, of course, when I first got them. I actually missed out on this red one. I had actually, forgot about that it was going to be on sale that day. But, I ended up getting it, off of eBay, again, for a reasonable price. It wasn't too bad with what I spent on it. And then I got this black one on sale day off the RLC. I get pretty lucky. I hadn't really... the problem for me is not, buying the cars, The payment goes through. It's just that whether they want to send you your damn cars or not. That's the issue. But anyway, at least I got both of these, safe and sound. And on time. Well, almost on this black one. Wow, there's the engine. And there's the engine on that one. Y'all seen that already. Out of both of them, I like the red one better because, that red just pops on it a lot more. That red is just, makes this car even sexier than it already is. But, I dig this black one too. It's got that red interior to give that one some pop. Little controversy with the wheels, but, I like them. People are making too big of a deal out of these wheels on this car. They both look nice, even though I kind of dig the ones on this red one a little bit more. But anyway, the Porsche 959, glad to have them. And for my last car, which is actually not really your typical RLC, but an Elite 64 model. This is my Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk. My Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. So yeah, I didn't really get too many of the Elite 64 models. I didn't really get that Mustang, but last time I checked, it was still on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale or not right now, but that was about maybe a week or two ago before my internet went out. But yeah, I really like this thing. I really like the way it sits. Hot Wheels did a great job on it. $20 though, but hey, at least it was so far $20 well spent. Hey, check this out. You can take the parts off of it from the back. That spoiler comes off separately, but it just came off of that bumper altogether. But hey. And there's the back glass right there that covers the engine. And what a nice engine it is. Pretty sweet. And then you got the turbochargers in the back after you remove that bumper. So yeah, it's also got a metal base, if you're wondering. It looks plastic, but it's actually metal. Yeah, it got some mirrors on there. You got to be careful with them puppies. So yeah, I did buy the Toyota Chaser last year, but I think I like this Lamborghini a lot better. I'd say, out of all the Elite 64 cars they put out, this Lamborghini is my favorite. So yeah, I just wanted to make that quick, just to show y'all some, all the RLC cars that I've been fortunate to purchase this year. I'm gonna put that back on just for presentation's sake. But anyway, I'm gonna sign off right here just to keep this video from, getting too long. So yeah, to all my new subscribers, thank y'all again for subscribing. If there's some people watching, this video or some of my other content, go ahead and subscribe. There's only a few more. There's only about a week left till my rookie year is over. And boy, what a rookie year it has been. Or at least, just give me a like. Follow me on Instagram. Ain't been on there in ages. There's been cobwebs on that thing. But yeah, just want to throw that out too. Also, I just want to throw out, have a good week. At least have a better week than mine. But anyway, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. But hey, I'm not over. It's not gonna be over with me yet. I got one more thing to show. I'm gonna leave that as a surprise. But yeah, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. So I guess I'll be out. All right, y'all. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.